In a world torn apart by technology gone rogue, humanity fights for survival against its own creations. They were meant to serve us until they decided to rule us. But one human will rise to lead the final stand against the machines. This summer witnessed the ultimate clash of man versus machine.
Pan 5.
United by courage, driven by hope. They may be outnumbered, but they will not back down.
Pan 5.
They may be outnumbered, but they will not back down.
Pan 5.
Every battle fought is a step towards freedom. Their determination is their greatest weapon. One final showdown will decide the fate of humanity.
Pan 5.
From the ashes of despair, they rise. In a world where man and machine once clashed, a new dawn begins.